Apple. The high vitamin C content in apple helps strengthen the immune system.
In our daily life.
Banana improve guts and water, help regulate blood pressure and provides a quick energy boost. Orange boost immunity, aids collagen production for healthy skin and helps with iron absorption. Grapes as a good source of dietary fiber. Grapes help in digestion and prevent constipation.
We consume in our daily life contains carrot, vitamin A, fiber, vitamin K, potassium. Beetroot, vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, iron. Beans, protein, fiber, vitamin B, zinc. Cauliflower, fiber, magnesium, antioxidant, potassium. Thank you.
Next year more.
Good morning everyone. I am Aditya from 5th A. Whole grain, black rice, rich in antioxidants, fiber and protein, stable blood sugar level and lowering the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer.
ஆதித்யா வரையில
It supports digestive and heart health.
எனக்கு அழுத்தம் இருக்கு நான் பார்த்துருக்கேன்.
And heart by providing fiber. Healthy whole grains packaged with fiber, vitamins and minerals, promoting heart health, better blood sugar control and weight management. Barley. The nutrition content of barley has protein up to 15.5% and carbohydrates up to 75%. Thank you all. From 58. Today I talk about dairy products. Paneer rich in carbohydrate, protein and calcium. Cheese rich in calcium, protein and fats. Buttermilk rich in calcium for strong bones, protein for muscles and energy, and several B vitamins. Yogurt rich in calcium, protein, B vitamin. Thank you.